how to do backstroke swimming. Greetings, athletes. Today we're going to talk about how you can perform backstroke while swimming. Let's start. First, when you're doing the backstroke, start with your body laying as flat on the surface of the water as possible. Second, let your head sit semi-submerged in the water. Make sure that the water is covering your ears almost completely. It's alright if it touches the corners of your face, but it shouldn't be getting into your eyes, nose, or mouth. Avoid bringing your chin to your chest while doing the backstroke, since it lifts your head out of the water and makes you less aerodynamic. 3. Make use of a flutter kick as soon as you're in the position on your back. Make sure that you are straightened, close together, and lined up below your hips. Use short kicking motions to propel yourself forward. As you raise one leg, kick the other down, and vice versa. Remember to keep your legs straight and kick from your hips rather than from your knees. 4. While doing backstrokes, use a long, fluid arm motion. Once you start to kick forward, keep your arms at your side. Reach one arm up in front of you. Make sure that you're pointing towards the sky or ceiling. Bring it up over your head by your ear and down into the water. It will be pointing in the direction you're traveling. When your arm hits the water, bring it down and skull outward to propel yourself forward. As you do this, raise the other arm and perform the same motion. Repeat. 5. Position your hands in a way that minimizes resistance. Your hands should enter and exit the water with their edges first, not your palms. When you lift your arm out of the water, lead with your thumb, and when it enters the water, lead with your pinky finger. When your hand is under the water, pulling you forward, rotate it so that your palm is facing your feet. Remember to rotate your shoulders and hips with each stroke. As you raise each arm, rotate your shoulders upwards. Rotate the opposite shoulder downwards. You should be using it to pull the other hand under the water. Simultaneously, twist your hips slightly with each kick. You should have a ever so slight wiggle in your motion. Your right hip should go down when your right leg kicks, and vice versa. 7. When it comes to breathing, breathe in as one arm leaves the water, then breathe out as the other leaves the water. 8. As you approach a wall, turn over to your front so you can see where you're going. Then repeat this same procedure as you go back. This is it, folks. Make sure you go through each step thoroughly. Share with us your experience in the comments section down below. Questions, comments, and concerns, and tips for others as well. If you like the video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.